Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to define a lot code prefix for scanning items in an issue register in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Head to the issue register module. Open the configuration window and navigate to the other settings section. Here, you will find the feature labeled as lot code prefix, which is set to nil by default, but the drop-down provides various prefix options. When you define a prefix here, you should also set the item code as field to lot code, as both options work together. Also, make sure to enable the option do not show item code list while entering the item code. Once done, save the changes. Now initiate a new entry. Scan the lot code along with the defined prefix, and the system will identify and pick the item accordingly.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.